Well, we finished the new duck pond. I'm taking this video from my upstairs window so you could see the entire thing. I'm going to be putting another pond in for them because they make a mess. And a shade area. I'm happy with the way it came out though. The pallet back there by the water, I'm gonna put some hanging plants from it that they can eat from. They seem to be enjoying the area. It's twice as big as they had before. Haven't heard much from them today, so I think they're happy. Keep you posted. Still not sure how many boys and girls we have, especially with the geese. I think I have one of each though. I hope. Well, have a good evening, everybody.